Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding CMOS 4 input NAND gate. Okay, CMOS 4 input NAND gate. So as the name indicates that here we are designing the CMOS NAND gate with 4 inputs. Okay, CMOS NAND gate with 4 inputs. Now we see that one. Here the NAND gate can be designed by both PMOS and NMOS because it is CMOS NAND gate. Okay, for CMOS NAND gate we are going to connect both PMOS and NMOS transistors, right? How do we have to connect those PMOS and NMOS transistors? Now we'll see that one. So already I told you for AND gate we have to connect the PMOS transistor should be parallel and NMOS should be in series. Here it is for OR gate, the PMOS should be series, and for NMOS it should be connected be in parallel. Okay, so NAND gate is same like here AND operation. Okay, NAND gate is same like AND operation. So in this NAND gate we have to connect the PMOS transistors in parallel. Okay, in this NAND gate we have to connect the PMOS transistors in parallel and NMOS in series. Okay, so by this technique we have to design 4 input CMOS NAND gate. Now we'll see that one. So for this I am taking 4 transistors, that are A, B, C and D. Okay, next the transistors Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So all these are the PMOS transistors. Okay, and these PMOS transistors are connected in series here. Okay, and these PMOS transistors are connected in parallel. Okay, so all the transistors Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are connected in parallel. Okay, so in NAND gate the PMOS transistors should be connected in parallel. So all these transistors Q1 and Q2, Q3 and Q4 are connected in parallel. Okay, and next one, the NMOS transistors should be connected in series, right? So in this way we have to connect the NMOS transistors, that is Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8. So all these are connected in series. Okay, so this one is of pull down network. Okay, so here the NMOS transistors are connected in series and PMOS transistors are connected in parallel, and this one is of pull up network. Okay, pull up network, right? And this one is pull down network. Always the pull up network is connected to VDD. Okay, always the pull up network is connected to VDD, right? And pull down network, it is connected to ground, right? Now we connect both pull up network and pull down network, right? So in this way we have to connect the pull up network and pull down network. So this one is of pull up network, here it is pull down network, right? So all the transistors are connected in parallel, PMOS transistors, and NMOS transistors are connected in series, right? So this one is VDD, right? So here the pull up network is connected in VDD. Okay, so for NAND gate the expression, Boolean expression is y equal to ABCD whole bar, y equal to ABCD whole bar, and by using De Morgan's theorem we can write it as A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Okay, next for this NAND gate, the output is high, that is logic 1 for all the combinations. Okay, here we are having totally 4 input variables, right? 4 input variables, so we'll get the 16 possible conditions, right? We'll get the 16 possible conditions. In those 16 possible conditions, if we have the output is high for all logic combinations except all the inputs are high, okay? For all the combinations the input is for all the combinations the output is high except all the inputs are high here. If all the inputs are high, that is 1 1 1, so output is equal to 0, right? And for remaining thing all one is 1. Okay, that is logic 1. So that is regarding CMOS NAND gate, and the truth table can be written already I told you. So already I told you in this way for the PMOS transistors, whenever we apply gate equal to 0, it will be on. Whenever we apply gate equal to 1, it will be off, right, for a PMOS. And for NMOS, whenever we apply gate equal to 0, it will be off, and whenever we apply gate equal to 1, it will be on, right. So by using these two techniques, okay, we can apply the inputs and we can get the truth table in this way. Okay, so this one is for 4 input CMOS NAND gate. Okay, 4 input CMOS NAND gate. Already I told you, for all the combinations the output is high. Okay, all are ones here, and for only the X, if all the inputs are high, then the output will be 0 here. Okay, so this one is the truth table for CMOS NAND gate, that is 4 input CMOS NAND gate. Okay, so in this way we have to write the truth table by explaining all the transistors, whether the transistors are going to be on or off, right. You have to tell in this way, by these techniques, right, and you have to write the truth table for this CMOS NAND gate. Okay, so in this way we can explain regarding the CMOS 4 input NAND gate. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.